Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. If 5 is subtracted from the numerator of a certain fraction, the value of the fraction becomes 1 by 11. If 6 is subtracted from denominator of the same fraction, the value of fraction becomes 6 by 5. Find the original fraction. Now let original fraction be x by y. That means numerator is x and denominator is y. So according to first condition, when 5 is subtracted from numerator, so x minus 5 by y, the fraction becomes 1 by 11. So from this we can get the equation 11x minus 55 equal to y. Let's call it equation 1. From second condition, 6 is subtracted from denominator of the same fraction, so x divided by y minus 6 is equal to, the value of fraction becomes 6 by 5. In the same way we found first equation, we can find another equation here. So that is equal to 5x equal to 6y minus 36. Now in order to get the values of x and y, we'll have to solve these two equations simultaneously. So in order to do that, let's multiply 1 by 6. What we get? We get 6y equal to 66x minus 6 5s are 30, 6 5s are 30 plus 3 is 33, so 330. This is equation 3. Now we can simply subtract equation 3 from equation 1. Subtracting 3 from 2, not 1. What we get here? Let's see. Let's write equation 2 in this way. 6y minus 36 equal to 5x. So 6y minus 6y. Okay. Minus 36 equal to 5x minus 66x minus of minus 330. So that is plus 330. So we get, let's see, minus 36 equal to minus 61x plus 330. So that gives us 61x will go over here and 36 will come over here. It will be 61x. Both the negative signs will get cancelled. So 36 plus 330. Because we have changed the side. So both the negative signs become positive after changing the sides. So we get 61x equal to 366, which is equal to, which gives us x as 6. Because 61 into 6 is 366. So since x is 6, we can find value of y by y equal to 11x minus 55 using equation 1. Using equation 1. So y equal to 11 into 6 is 66 minus 55, which is equal to 11. Therefore original fraction becomes, original fraction equal to x by y equal to 6 by 11. Let's look at the options. Yes, answer is option C.